Hi guys, I'm Ken. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a counter. So here I'll make a simple version. So in the flow we need a switch. First of all, while all these are correct, you don't need to care about it. So now I'm gonna get a variable block which is from the data. And here I'm gonna move this. Here we need a number, and now we can read from it. Here in edit, we're gonna define variables. So here, what's wrong? So here we're gonna create, and here we're now gonna have a variable 1. I'll go for, I don't know. So I'll go for sign my n. So, and then the data type is number. Okay, close. Now here we're gonna put a send number. Yep. Now here we're gonna get a constant 1, which means the number is always gonna stay the same. So the data type is number, and now let it be 1. And its name is Grace. I don't know, grass. And then here, now we need to add things together. So we're gonna have the math block right over. Right over. What's wrong with it? Here, I'll scroll up a little bit here. So now we're gonna plug these in. It doesn't matter if we're A or B. Click into what? Delete. So here we're gonna plug it into B. It doesn't matter if it's A or B because they're all part of the addition. So now the operation is addition. Yep. And now where we're gonna split out all that into the variable block again. It's not, it's just, sorry. Oh yeah. So then it splits out into there again. Wait. Right here. So that's the base counter, but you might want to add more things. For example, you want two. So then after that, you want to actually I'll add this instead of a variable. Instead of a constant one, I'll go for a variable one. And now I'll have numbers. So now the action goes for you. Edit. Define variables instead of number 1, I'll change it. Delete. Hizzy. I'll just create a random name. Hizzy, and the data type is number. So instead of the number, we're gonna go for Hizzy. So now plug it into A, and after this one, we're gonna have both. We're gonna have two of them. We're gonna have two Hizzies. So then they end up to Siren. And then after that, we're gonna Siren plus Hizzy. No, wait. Instead of Hizzy, I'm gonna use it for Siren. We want to multiply it by 2. Now, data type. Well, here, the math block. And then we're gonna add Siren and Siren. Oh. What's wrong with this? Can you stop? Can you stop? And then the output splits into Siren. Now instead, after the output splits into Siren, I'm gonna have another value. I have a constant one. So here, actually in the whole lesson, you have a lot of choices. So here, we're gonna do a multiplication. So here we're going to connect it to A. A, what are you doing? Yep. And then the output splits out into, I'll say, a sound block. Where did it go? goes right here. What's wrong with this? And then here we're gonna press it into the tone frequency, for example. So now it can make a sound, but we needed a tone, and this one controls the frequency of it, which is not really the duration. And here I want the volume to be 100. Of course, play. Nope. Wait for complete. Okay, so now I'm gonna save this because I don't have the NXT kit yet. So that's it for today's lesson. Bye.
记得点赞关注哦。